So this is the first starter we have. This is something with shrimp. I cannot pronounce the whole name. They also have sorted shrimp, and also like they have given a bread as well. Let's eat. So, let's have it. We have the delicious dish.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
I have the noodles with shrimp.
And I have chicken, egg, noodle. Mushroom, of course. So we booked anniversary package. So they have given us this box of chocolate, and also a sparkling wine inside this ice bucket. It's lovely. Let's have a drink. Woo. Good morning everyone from Porto. So now it's 7:15 in the morning. I mean the daylight just started. This is the view from the hotel balcony. It's morning. We can see a little bit of sunlight is coming. It's quiet. I can hear some sounds from the birds, and we can see the sea from the balcony itself. It's a beautiful morning. It will be sunny. Today first we will be visiting some interesting places. So this Porto is one of the I can say important place, especially for Elora, because she is a die-hard fan of Harry Potter, and J.K. Rowling started writing Harry Potter from this city, the Philosopher's Stone. So we will visit some of the places where she already visited. She has the influence in her stories, especially the cafe where she sat down and wrote those stories. So we will visit all those places one by one today. So very important places we are going to see today. So stay tuned with us. Ciao. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Again. Now, the best thing is, after a long time, we are wearing sunglasses.
Yeah, in Luxembourg it's like cloudy for months.
Yeah.
We didn't see sun. Now here it's sunny.
Now we are going to take bus from here. So our first destination is to see the
tower.
tower,
Yeah.
and also the bookstores. Yeah. And let's go. It's a beautiful morning, full sunshine. Woo. Let's go. So this is a famous Porto Santo railway station. It's beautiful.
It's amazing.
Yeah, it's
Paintings on the wall.
yeah. Let's go to that side. Amazing. And they have some kind of history related picture from Portugal. Beautiful. Nice. Wow. He's busy taking the pictures. Lovely. We can see Bengali store. Yeah, yeah. This is a Bengali thing. Later, I mean, word. It's called Swagatam, which means welcome. Yeah. Nice.